pagpapakasal. Uncensored, nitong Agosto, unang inamin ni Ogie ang planong pag-isang dibdib nila ng kasintaang si Regine. Mula noon, hindi na napigilan ng dalawa ang ibahagi sa buong bayan ang mga detalye ng pinaka-espesyal na araw nila.
Mapapansin nyo naman sa aking mukha na maaliwalas ako at it's a very happy occasion and it's gonna be a happy day.
Yeah, it's finally happening and we're very excited. It's going to be a beach wedding.
At sa kanilang paghahanda, higit daw ang effort na ibinibigay ni Ogie.
I just want parang a party. Although si Ogie, kinakareer niya, sa feeling niya, ito yung ibibigay niya sa akin na dream wedding.
Ini-enjoy ko yung bawat pagpapaplano sapagkat pagkatapos ng kasal, you look back, tapos na. Diba? So, ini-enjoy ko.
Sa gitna ng lahat ng ito, malaki ang pasasalamat ng Asia Songbird, lalo na sa mga kaibigang handang tumulong sa preparasyon ng kanilang kasalan. At ang shocking service session, kabilang dito ang ex-wife ni Ogie na si Michelle Van Aimeren.
She's doing our flowers. Ang dami na niyang mga plano. Siyempre natutuwa kami pareho dahil madami nag-o-offer na kami na yung sasagot niyan, kami na yung sasagot nito. Maraming salamat sa gesture. The thought counts.
Ngunit naging sentro din ng usap-usapan ang wedding gown na regalo ni Dr. Vicky Bello para kay Regine. Likha ang gown ng US-based Pinoy fashion designer na si Monique Louvillier. Marami ang nagulat nang mapabalitang nagkakahalaga ito ng $36,000 o halos 1.6 million pesos. Nang tanungin si Regine tungkol dito,
Hindi ko alam kasi nga, gift nga yun eh. So, I think I'm not supposed to know.
ngunit kaagad namang binuweltahan ni Bello at ang kanyang shocking showbiz statement.
Ang totoong presyo, papakita ko sa inyo ang bill kasi, you know, I don't like what's been happening. It's only $8,000. Of course, it's still not cheap, but it's very far from the $30,000 na sinasabi nila.
Pero sa kabila ng mga intriga, nananatiling positibo sina Ogie at Regine.
Siguro alam din nila kasing feeling ko na matagal ko nang hinantay. So, everybody's just really happy for me.
Eto na ako Eto na yung buhay ko. I'd like to think that I've become a wiser person. And part of that is being again with the woman that I love.
I'm sorry, pinag-usapan lang namin kasi yung mga presyo ng mga wedding gown.
Kino-compute natin kung magkano talaga yung gown.
At $8,000 more or less is...
should be around 300 to 350,000 pesos. Na mahal pa rin. Pero sinasabi mo, on your wedding day, you will spend any money you have. I mean, just to make it memorable.
Hindi mo iisipin kung magkano yun because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Right.
Kahit magkano yun gagawin mo talaga because it's your wedding day.
And just before we went on air, sabi ni Louie, siya ikaw, magkano yung wedding gown mo? Hindi ba, who made your gown?
Joe Salazar.
Wow!
You know,
Do you know that Kim Atienza actually bought the house of Joe Salazar?
Tama.
Okay, so how much is it?
Mahabang usapan to, but I remember going to Joe Salazar. Nung pumunta ako sa kanya, he said, Charlene, you know, it's an answered prayer. I was dreaming, we haven't met yet, I was dreaming na sana ako ang gagawin. I will be the one to do your gown.
Wow.
When we first announced. So when I went there, it was really divine intervention. And when I met him, he was such a pleasant person. And I'm just so honored that I got the chance to wear a Joe Salazar.
Of course, the legendary Joe Salazar. Kanina naman mga kaibigan, habang pinapanood ko po si Ogie Alcacid, alam mo, if I were a girl, he is the kind of man I would marry.
Really? Why? I mean, I'm curious. Ano ba yung gusto mo kay Ogie?
Wala. You know, like, he's very cool. He knows what he wants. And he will pay attention to you. He will give you the best. And maybe because I know Ogie, that inside and out, he's one of the best guys I've met in the world, not just in this business. Kaya parang, sabi ko, kung ako'y babae at niligawan ako ng isang katulad ni Ogie Alcacid, hindi pa ho siya nagsasabing, I love, sabi ko na you.
Sumagot ka na.
Hindi ko siya pahihirapan. Kaya, Og, if you're watching that, that's a joke. No, but again, sabi nga natin, good things happen to people who wait.
Yes.
Matagal na nag-antay si Regina at si Ogie. In God's good time, this wonderful thing is happening to both of them, and we are happy for Ogie and Regine.
Lahat tayo masaya para sa kanila.
Okay. Mga kaibigan,